Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome in today's video. And today we are gonna be replacing my 2014 Civic SI's engine air filter, which is located in this area.
Okay, so the things we will be needing: your Phillips screwdriver. We need the air filter, obviously. Bada bing, bada boom. This is the part you need for a 2014 Civic SI with the K24 motor. Let's get to it. Okay, so first up, just to let you know, the engine air filter is in here. So what we gotta do is we gotta take off this tube so we can access the airbox. And we can do that by
Loosening this up.
loosening this Phillips bolt. So we'll do it just that. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
It's loose
And then
already.
now we gotta unclip it from this fastener right there. And now we can remove the airbox. Wiggle it out slowly. You gotta twist.
No, it's okay. Working.
Oh, like so.
Boom.
Easy peasy. The airbox has got 2 clips on each side. Now we just gotta unclip that. Let's show the clip first where it is. Left. Right there. The other one is right there. So you just unclip both sides to access the airbox. Just like so. Nice and easy.
Oh,
Let's see.
actually dark now.
Yes, it is dark. It's been a couple years. And we already have the new one, so
So we can do a comparison.
why not replace? Let's do a comparison. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the old one. It's full of dirt, it's full of dust. And this is the new one where it's nice, white and clean. It can affect your fuel economy, performance of your car. So time to replace the old one with the new one.
Every
Just
20
insert it the way you took the old one out.
Yeah, so this way.
So it will be going down
Yeah.
this way. The dust and dirt
Kobe.
in the airbox.
There you go.
Damn. Okay, now time to drop the air filter in. Once where it's not filtering any air at all. Okay, so just a quick drop in, nice and easy. You can do this yourself. By doing this, you know, you learn something new. And you make sure your car gets the nice quality air filter.
Nice.
It deserves. Okay. Time to put back the cover of the box. Now take your time. Wiggle it in. Okay guys, so after a little bit of wiggling, we're able to put the box properly. So we just, now that the air filter is in, as you can see there, just gently close it. Make sure the latches align this plastic insert, and we basically just bring it up like so to secure it in place. There we go. And there we go. Secured both latches like so. And now we can go back to putting back the tube.
The way. No. Okay, then yeah, it's fine.
Like this. Or maybe
Yeah.
not a big deal, but whichever is more comfortable. You can do this by hand first. If you can see the other end coming in, like so, you can start using the Phillips to tighten it in place. And there we go, nice and secure. Like and subscribe. Bye.